Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, one of the original sharks from Shark Tank. Beautiful hair starts with amazing hair products, and Chita Beauty is where you can find them.
Using my experience as a hairstylist for over a decade, I've created a phenomenal hair care line that helps nourish, treat, and repair all hair types.
With many options for those with curly to straight hair, Chita Beauty offers effective, weightless hair care products. All of our products are cruelty-free, with vegan and gluten-free options. They're even suitable for those with sensitive skin. Chita Beauty's ingredients provide extra moisture, nourishing your hair and scalp. So what are you waiting for? Experience beautiful and healthy hair with long-lasting results. Radiate confidence with a flawless shine. Strengthen and smooth your hair with Chita Beauty. Order today and receive 20% off when you use promo code SHARK20 at cheetahbeauty.com.